welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share any of my videos. If you guys have any requests, please comment in the comments section below, or you can even email me. My email is in the description below. Also, I am taking emails as well. If you guys are having any issues with any of your tech, then feel free to email me and I will try my best to help you guys out. So I'm going to start by saying that I've recently created a website. You can see it right here on my screen right now. There's a bunch of different tabs that I have. The website's, of course, called howtotechtips.com. And basically, the main function, but I think for this website, is the forms section. So you click on forms. Here, you will find all of your, troubleshooting. If you want to sell, your Microsoft equipment, Apple equipment. There's just tutorials and laptops. Sometimes one person may have an error. I might not have the message, but somebody else might. Before open discussion for everybody that needs help with their technology. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install VirtualBox in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, we're going to want to open up an internet browser. I'm just going to open up Microsoft Edge. And then we're just going to go and type in virtualbox.org. This is the official VirtualBox website. We're going to left click on Windows 6.1. And then from here, we're going to see the different packages for the different platforms. We're going to want to left click on Windows hosts. And then we'll see that the installation begins right here. And while we wait, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe, comment if you guys have any issues or anything. You can also email me. And also, if you guys have any other issues with your technology, I will be happy to help you. Okay, so this is done now. We're going to open the file. It's going to prepare. And then from here, we're going to just hit next. I actually already have it installed, so I'll just remove it quickly. Accept that. Okay, perfect. So we're going to open it again. And then we're going to hit next. Next again. And then here, whatever you guys, I'm sure everyone has their preference. I'm not going to do that. And I'm not going to create a shortcut in Quick Launch Bar, but I will have it in the Start menu and a shortcut on my desktop. We're going to want to click Next. Do we want to proceed? Yes. And then we're going to install. This little pop-up will come up. We're going to hit Yes. And then we're basically done. We just hit finish, and then it should open up for us. We can X this, and just like that, Windows 11 has a VirtualBox on it. If you guys are having any issues, please let me know. I know there has been, some complications with VirtualBox and Windows 11, but I won't get into that right now. That'll be for another video. Thanks guys for watching. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep tacking on.